Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Power off and unplug the PC, then ground yourself to avoid static. Open the case and locate the M. 2 slot or SATA connectors on the motherboard. Refer to labels on the PCB. If you have an M, 2 drive, remove the screw holding the standoff. If SATA, prepare both the drive and a free SATA cable and power connector. These first steps ensure you avoid damage and confirm you've chosen the correct interface before you proceed with installation. Now install the drive. For M, 2, align the notch with the slot, insert at a gentle 20 to 30 degree angle, then press down and secure with the standoff screw. For SATA, slide the SSD into the drive bay and fasten. Connect a SATA cable from the SSD to the motherboard and attach a power connector from the PSU. Make sure cables are routed clear of fans and heat sinks. Once done, double-check that the drive is firmly seated and the screw is snug but not over-tightened. Finish by closing the case, reconnecting power, and booting into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the motherboard detects the new SSD. If it's visible, set boot order if needed. Once in the OS, initialize and format the drive in Disk Management or create partitions in Linux. If the drive isn't detected, shut down, reseat the drive and cables, try another M. 2 slot or SATA port, and check for BIOS update. That single troubleshooting step resolves most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.